Hello everyone. So we are at Busch Gardens today. We drove from Cabana Bay. We'll talk about that more later, but we're at the entry of the park. It's about 11:15. It's probably not going to be crowded here today. It's a cool little lion toper area. So I'll show you guys this park. We haven't been here in probably 12 years maybe. Maybe longer, I don't know.
Yeah.
Finally. We're all there. It's on. It's going. Finally on Iron Gwazi, everyone. We're in the back row too. Here we go, baby. Ready?
Yeah.
Good.
It's good, but I don't know.
Oh, I still like Vengeance better. I don't know. It is constant speed though. There's no brakes or nothing, which is great. But I still prefer Vengeance. It's still good.
I would have it in my backyard.
All right, well, it's pretty good.
I would just be like, hey, Busch Gardens, I need a lifetime pass. So let me here give me some money to build rollers for me. I've got ideas.
That's it. Okay, so we just went on Iron Gwazi. It was a great ride. There's the entrance, only a 5-minute wait. Still a 5-minute wait, but it's a great ride, but we still like it. Still Vengeance better. Let's get all these little booths here. Starts at 4 o'clock. And they got a wine or a whiskey tasting. They got a Christmas deck. I wonder if this is all part of it right here. Like, I bet it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because look, they have like a little tent right here for the Christmas stuff, and there's more right here. Cinnamon whiskey sours, all drinks. Look at this.
See that?
Yeah.
There you go.
Cookies, cocos, and cocktails.
Oh, that's perfect.
I don't want the the bourbon, apple schnapps, and ginger beer. I'm not going to drink that. You got Iron Gwazi in the background. Look at all these flamingos. Look how big they are, too.
They're really tall.
They're noisy, too. I wonder if they like this cold weather. I wouldn't say cold weather, but it's actually perfect weather to walk around an amusement park, honey. Alright, so this is what we went on. We went on Tigress next, and we're going to get food now, but this is a pretty cool, compact, fast ride.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty,
It wasn't bad, it was fun.
It's pretty cool. It's just...
Tigris, le pedimos que por favor
Going on this
cumpla
thing
con
right
las
now, Tiger's
siguientes
next.
reglas diseñadas para su seguridad.
5-minute wait
Esta
time this whole
atracción,
time.
por su propia naturaleza, crea fuerzas y velocidades que podrían no ser.
Alright, you ready for Tigers, honey? Just like going backwards. I'm ready for this. Cameras on. I'm paying the butt to get in these things though. There we go. Oh my goodness. It's pretty cool. Whee! Hell yeah.
It's over.
This is cool. They need more seating out here.
Yeah.
This is cool though. We're at the Giraffe Bar, having a couple of drinks. My mule and Terry got a beer. A couple animals there. You see a giraffe in the distance with that vehicle, some tour, and then the zebras over there. See a giraffe right through the trees here. There we go. So at least you could see a giraffe at the Giraffe Bar. Oh, Suzanne.
Yeah.
Oh, they're nice and close to us now. It's a cool spot though to have a drink. And they got that pizza place there too. Oasis Pizza.
Yeah, I saw someone with pizza out there before we walked in. I think she was pretty good. It's like a flatbread. Yeah.
And I got the Mom Mule, which is Icelandic vodka with passion fruit. And again, I think they gave me a different strawberry one. Good. The other one was lime. That's why I threw the other one out.
I was gonna say, why didn't you
Yeah.
keep it? Oh, the other one's not over there. This one like eats and eats and eats.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's like thorns. I was pissed. Oh, that one is a bean. Look how little it is.
Very nice. When I was surprised at it turned out to be really nice. You guys are right. Oh, really? Oh. So you can do it without looking at anything. Just take it out and put it back in.
we go. Now we got 6 giraffes in the picture now as we're sitting here. I don't know if they strategically get them there by food or smell, or but they all came like around the same time. What do you call a school giraffe?
Just went up. See the thing just went back down. Oh, here it comes.
Comes up. We're gonna be going on this in a couple rides, or there it goes. First time we've seen a train, we're sitting here for like an hour and a half. And there's Terry on her phone again.
Look at that.
And there's Terry on her phone, just like this is what she did in Gallenberg. We're on the top of Anakista.
Oh, he stopped. No, he didn't.
People who watch our videos saw that. Oh, look at this stuff. Look at that. This reminds me of like the Mummy's Cure. Right?
Mm-hmm. We get to go on that tomorrow.
Yeah, it's open. Wow, it's open. We're in a dungeon.
I thought it was open.
No, I think, yeah, but who knows? We're doomed. We're doomed. Yeah. Going on Cobra's curse, honey.
Curse. No escaping the Cobra's curse.
The only reason why we know that is because we've heard about 15 times by the Giraffe Bar. Terry's gonna like this one. It's very spinny.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
The gods awakens, my power grows.
Backwards time now. Oh, man.
You are mad. The Cobra's curse is upon
We're not even spinning really.
There is no escape from the Cobra's curse.
One's enough.
Oh, come on. This is
No,
fun.
go ahead and fly away from it.
Come on.
Ah, it's okay. I don't need to go.
It's fun. I actually like that.
All right, we're going on cheetah hunt. Our first time in probably 12, maybe third time, I don't even know.
Well, when it opened.
Yeah, we waited like it was 86 degrees and sunny.
Oh, no, it was hotter than that. It was like 95.
Okay, sorry. 95. It was hot.
It was like scorching.
They were giving out free bottled waters and everything.
I
This is
remember
like,
this.
this is kind of like Maverick, but like a tamed version of Maverick.
little
So.
tame.
So we'll show you guys when we get on. There's like no, every ride here is 5 minutes, so that's the only cool thing. And there's a little cheetah right here. All the rides, it's a cool theming here. It was fun having a couple drinks at that Giraffe Bar.
Which is right across from Cheetah Hunt.
Yeah, it's right directly across. Alright. We're on Cheetah Hunt now. Whoa! I forgot about that. We're in the back row on every ride. There's Gwazi right there. As we're leaving the park, this is what we see. Look at that. Look how close we are to this. Do not cross.
Look, he's moving his arm right up there. His arm, you can see it?
Look at this.
Look.
See his stomach going?
The bird better watch it. Look at his teeth right there. He's looking right. You see that?
This is crazy. Seriously.
That they're right here?
Yeah.
You know why? They're all in the sun.
Yeah.
Oh, those two aren't. Those are. Oh, there's a turtle right there.
Huh?
Turtle right there.
Who
Turtle.
cares about turtle? Look at that.
Red turtle. His eyes are closed. His little paw right there. His little hand.
God, they got this.
Cool.
They got to ruin it with this stupid music.
May I have your attention, please?
Thank you.
For the comfort of all of our guests, Busch Gardens
Turn this music off.
in designated areas only. We ask that you refrain from smoking or vaping in unmarked
Like they're
areas.
statues.
Please
Seriously.
refer to the Busch Gardens app for designated locations throughout the park. In addition, please help us to protect our environment for generations to come.
I never. Oh, there's turtles right here.
In the appropriate recycling.
See him right there?
Yeah.
Thank you and enjoy your
I
day.
think they're all out sunny. You know that?
I never would think we'd be able to get ever this close in our life to gators like this.
These are big guys.
Yeah, look at this.
I mean, look how like fat they are.
Oh, this music. God, this music. Turn this music off. Jeez. Probably get a copyright from this stupid music.
Well, you could just put like.
His eyes looking at us, look.
Glory to the newborn King.
Birds just pooped in the water.